Welcome friends to this video. Today I will share with you how you can cancel your Melaleuca subscription. So friends, follow me in this video and let's get started. Friends, first step you need to do, look for Google and search for Melaleuca cancellation form, this one, and you see this, you get this form, and then write your all information about your cancellation process and this form. This is suspended preferred customer. Write this form, phone number and customer number and address and your name and state and zip codes. From here write your feedback, write all your reason you want to cancellation on this form, and from the signature complete this one and write the send information, all information, your mail here, and then your fax to send this information via. You can send via this email, guys. You should be send from this one, and the subject add cancellation request or something like this, and you should be send this form, complete all information, write your reason you want to cancel from here. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. Write from here your feedback and your customer information. This is how you can do.